What we got here, Jake? A new package.
Hadouken!
Oh wait, forgot to do one thing. Hey Jake, pass that air freshener, man. Really? Don't forget to spray down your packages that you get in, guys. Shh, I'll be back. Alright, after disinfecting this box, my hands and my entire body, let's check out what I have to work on today. A pair of LEBRON John Elliot's. I believe they want me to hit these with a LeBron 8 South Beach theme. I've never seen that done before on this pair of shoes. This should be fun. This should be interesting. Hopefully these come out fire. If I do my thing, if I don't, let's get into it. Come, Jake. Pass me the cotton balls, please. Okay, for these kicks, I'm gonna be going about this a little bit differently. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these shoes don't have any leather on it. It has like the synthetic vegan leather, very healthy, very environmentally friendly, but can't paint on it. So the best alternative to that is to dye it. So I'm gonna dye these to get these to that South Beach colorway. I got my soap, I'm gonna get my hot water. I don't have one of them clear bucket pans that everyone uses, but I got a cooler and it's big and it works just as well. And I'm gonna dye these, let you guys see the process. So let's get to it. To dye, you need hot water for the whole process. So right now, I'm warming up some water. You don't need it to be boiling, like incredibly boiling hot, but you need it to be incredibly hot, but not hot enough to boil your shoes apart. So right now I'm warming up some water. I'm gonna fill this up to as much as I need to dip the shoes in the dye. And yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Peep the foot gang. Fresh.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
Dude! What the fuck? Fresh. Alright, so now I got my hot water set up. I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. What that'll do is that'll help spread the dye out evenly inside of this container. And then I'm gonna add my dye. I already stripped the shoes, took out the insoles. I'm gonna dip them in some cool water so that way the dye could adhere to the shoes a little bit better. And then yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. You gotta mix them around in here for about 40 minutes or so. Make sure the water stays hot so that way you could dye properly.
I'm whipping in the kitchen, I'm whipping in the kitchen, whipping the whole time, whipping the whole time, whipping the whole time, whipping the whole time. Dope boy toys and gang banging.
1 hour later.
So right now I'm letting them air dry a bit. I already washed them, rinsed them. I got some paper tissue in there to let the insides dry a little bit more. After they're dry, I'm gonna paint them. Add some pink, add some black, you know what I mean? Do my thing and see how these come out.
24 hours later.
So I ended up leaving these in the house to dry. I brought them back outside this morning to let them get a little bit dry because they're still kind of wet. And I have bad patience, so this is how they're looking now. In person, the color's a little darker, but on camera, it's looking like a nice teal. But overall, it's a nice dye job. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit more. It's almost dry, and then I'm gonna start throwing some paint on here, and then yeah, call it a wrap.
Hey, let it do.
laces for these, but instead I was like, how about I take the laces it came with and turn them pink. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. You're gonna need some paint that you're gonna use, a fabric medium. I like to use GAC, a dish to mix that in, and your shoelaces. And the most important thing you need is these right here. Without these, I don't know how you're gonna get much done. So you need 2 hands, paint, fabric medium, laces, dish, something to mix it, and then this. Let's go. Our part right here is your mixture. What you want to do is you want to get a nice 1-to-1 ratio. So the same amount of paint that you use, the same amount of medium that you want to pour out to mix. This looks very inappropriate. Mix on these. What you want to do is you want to kind of drain these out, all that extra paint out.
One eternity later.
After letting it dry, you're gonna have this little paint residue on the lace tips. Just get some acetone, wipe it off, and you're good. Checking out today's video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm doing these LEBRON, John Elliot South Beaches. They came out pretty nice, if you ask me. The color came out a little bit darker because I probably put in too much dye, but it's my first time dyeing the shoe. But they still came out nice. I'm gonna pack them up, ship them back out to their rightful owner, and I will check you guys out till next time. Hopefully y'all also learned something from watching this video. Just in case you want to try and do your own pair of shoes, you want to dye them, all you need is some dye. It doesn't take a lot of artistic ability to do something like this. You just need some dye and some patience, and just follow the instructions, and you know, you can do your own colorways, dye a shoe gold, green, red, yellow, pink, whatever it is. Just make sure you put in the right amount of dye and everything like that, and you can do your own pair of shoes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, and till next time, stay safe out there, people. All right, peace.